everyone, it's Peter again, coming to you with our 7th challenge of the summer. This week, your challenge is to build a solar oven that will toast a marshmallow. There are so many different ways you can do this. We are excited to see everyone's creative solutions. Before we go over the rules, let's talk about different heat transfer methods. You've probably learned in your science class that hot air rises. This is because of the convection heat transfer process. Convection is the transfer of heat by the movement of fluids, air, or gas. Think about your house in the summer. Unless you have air conditioning turned on, the second floor is always much warmer than the first. That's because the hot air in the house is lighter and rises to the second floor. The cooler air is denser and falls to the first floor. Conduction is the transfer of heat between objects by direct contact. Imagine it is a cold winter day and you're enjoying a mug of hot chocolate. If you dip a metal spoon into your mug, it will become warm. Now, if you touch the end of the spoon, you will feel heat in your fingers. This is because metal is an excellent conductor of heat. But if you dip a plastic spoon into the same mug, it will not heat up as much and may not even feel warm to the touch. Plastic is not an efficient conductor of heat. Thermal radiation does not require direct contact. In this process, heat travels through the air from one source to another. The sun is the best example of this heat transfer process. The sun is really far away from the earth and doesn't touch us directly, but the heat from the sun travels through the atmosphere and warms the earth. Another example is a campfire. You don't have to touch the fire directly to be warmed by it. The heat from the fire will transfer through the air, so it will still warm you up even if you're a few feet away. Think about these types of heat transfer as you design your solar oven. What method will you use? Can you use all three? Now take it one step further. Can you use reflection to redirect the light from the sun to your marshmallow? What about insulation? What can you do to prevent the heat from escaping your oven? Once you're able to cook a marshmallow, see what you can do to speed up the process. Then put your melty marshmallow and a piece of chocolate between 2 graham crackers and make s'mores. And now for our rules. You must use an oven mitt or a towel when touching your oven. It might get really hot and you don't want to burn your hands. You can't use glass or a magnifying glass in your oven. Now are tips to avoid making parents mad. Put something under the marshmallow so it doesn't make a mess when it melts. Clean up after yourself. Wash your hands before you touch everything in the house. Make your parents some s'mores to enjoy. Don't cook an ant or any other living creature. Don't leave your oven in the sun all day long unattended. It could get really hot. Don't shine a death ray into someone's eyes. That's it. Enjoy your s'mores and submit your videos to our website by midnight, July 28th. Have fun!